Don is working really hard to clean up Ruby for my shopping trip with Michelle today. I hate it that I don't have 15 more minutes to give him, but it's 6:35. She looks much better, Donnie.
Yeah, I mean, plaster off really helps.
Good morning, Ruby. Doing the squeegee makes all the difference in the world on how the glass dries. All the difference. So if you don't have a squeegee, I highly recommend it. There is some fog out there this morning, but it's not really affecting visibility. It's more one of those fogs where you just get to enjoy how it makes the landscape look. It's 45. So don't think it was warm and Don was out there fooling with the car. It was pretty chilly. And I think we're going to see the sun today. Yay! Well, those are some painted arrow covers, I guess.
Yep, that's what it looks like.
Yep, it looks pretty sharp. I like it. So before I pulled out of the driveway this morning, I rebooted both the scroll wheels and the push buttons. I was on Facebook just for a second while I was fooling with YouTube stuff, putting my better thumbnail on yesterday's video. And the divas were really complaining about the extra seatbelt noise, mostly the ones that have small children and they didn't want it. You know, you can avoid the ding if you never take your seatbelt off until you're in park. Both coming and going from the car, starting out and coming in. So, but anyway, they said try a scroll wheel reboot, try the, reboot. Some people had gotten rid of it or seemingly gotten rid of it. I didn't notice it when I got in the car this morning to begin with, like it was doing yesterday. But here, I'm in park. Let me take my seatbelt off and see if we get a noise. And we are getting a noise. And the little flashing seatbelt symbol up there. But I'm in park, so it has no business going off because I'm exiting the car and I'm in park. I don't need my seatbelt on. So they need to fix that. It's really irritating. It wouldn't surprise me if it comes and goes. It seems like a lot of these little software things, they kind of tend to come and go. I mean, it's not a safety issue. It's not a big deal. It's just one of those kind of like annoying things. So Tesla, if you're listening, please fix the seatbelt extra chimes. It's not fun. Hi, pretty boy. How are you? You staying nice and warm? Your heating pad? Yeah, good morning. Good morning. I was home working on robotic stuff, the team info sheet and some other things. I sent off them to the boys to read and make changes. I wish we had another week, but of course if we had another week then we'd need 2 more weeks. So yeah, I get that there would never be enough time no matter what. But I am feeling like I've gotten enough done that I can go have a great day shopping with Michelle and not have to think about it while I'm out. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And it's 55 out here now and a little windy, but I think it's gonna be a nice day for us. Are you feeling okay today? Because you don't usually make donations at Guardian Angel.
I know. I'm gonna make room. I gotta make room for more.
For more, right. More better. More better. All right, Michelle. We need the little girl that goes with that. That is just too cute. There are lots of Hallmark ornaments, but I'm not seeing any that I can't live without. Yeah, he has to go home with me. I would buy that tablecloth, but it's just not big enough. They put out a lot of new tablecloths though. Now you know this is going home with me. Possibly for Connor. It's wood. I mean, it's real. It's just missing one knob and we'll fix that. We'll put something there. If I had room for this, this would be mine. I like it. I don't need another set of Christmas glasses, but it's $2 for the 4 of them, and it's really heavy glass. They're all buy one get one free unless marked no discount, so I can't leave them. All I want for Christmas is peace on earth and awesome bargains at Guardian Angel. They have 3 large, well this one's a little smaller, but large banquet tables out here. This one appears to be in really great shape. I was checking out who parked next to me, and that is some white. It's almost blinding.
Marianne, look, it's you in Lego form.
It is. That is too cool.
That is so
It
you.
is. It is. That's funny. I guess this girl's, we'll just pretend it's me as the robot teacher coming in to work with the kids.
Yep.
But she got me this too. Check it out. The little kitty cats. Annalie kitty cats. Thank you, Michelle.
You're welcome.
The car got pretty hot. This is the first time since we got Riri back that I've had reason to run the air conditioning. It feels nice and cool. It does. It feels cool, which is good. That's the right thing after they fix the air conditioner as part of the off-road experience repair. So where are we going today, Michelle?
We're going to Little Tokyo.
Little Tokyo. We were watching Bjorn this morning in Amari in Thailand, and that was pretty fun. They had fried grasshoppers literally today.
Oh.
I would have tried one. Not exactly what I want to eat though. The placemat is history of sake. I got a hibachi shrimp bento box, and Michelle got teriyaki steak. So this is a surf and turf roll. It looks really good. I've never seen a steak on a sushi roll before. Michelle picked it out. Now this is a lobster roll, and oh my goodness, it looks so good and so big, and we're full. So Michelle's kids are going to be getting sushi for dinner. So lunch really filled us up. It was amazing, and Michelle's kids, they are going to be happy with the leftovers, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So we're here at Apex now, and Miss Laura did put out some goodies at the Fuquay store this week. So we're really hoping for some goodies at the Apex store too. All these village pieces, but no Lefton. Not a one today. Thank goodness for the frunk. Although the middle row is empty. We didn't put anything in the middle row today, but leftover food, stuff from Apex. I'll grab something.
Thank you. Oops.
That's it, just drop it all over the ground.
It's for the kids, they'll never know.
Actually, she uses So apparently Thanksgiving's gonna mess up shopping next week. Well, did we totally say no to Tuesday morning? We're still thinking about Tuesday. We'll think about Tuesday morning. But yeah.
Yeah, we'll get together.
So
Don't miss me too much.
I will. I will. I'm gonna need something after Saturday's competition, you know?
I know, you need a stiff drink.
Maybe.
Small table. Oh, we didn't grab Chinese food. I already had dinner.
Right, I didn't grab Chinese food today. Be careful with stuff. Thank you. My guys are dressed up, take 2.
Yeah.
And we're on our way back into Raleigh for the Beta Club induction.
Yeah. Of course.
I'm dedicated to my school. I am a leader.
Next, Mr. Jonathan Goldman. And the principles of service and leadership.
Principles of service and leadership.
I further pledge myself
I further pledge myself
to cooperate with members of this club.
to cooperate with members of this club.
To cooperate with the members of and the promotion of sense of individual responsibility.
The promotion of sense of individual responsibility.
To our school, community, state, and nation.
To our school, community, state, and nation.
To make right the master of might.
To make right the master of might.